Mom's music box. It's broken. When Mom finds out... How could you, Leo? That was Grandma's. No TV for a whole month. Dad will say, "I'm very disappointed in you, son." My sister will say, "You always ruin everything." Everyone will be so angry with me. I can't tell them. Mom will be home at 6. That's so soon. This was Grandma's. Mom loves it more than anything. I'm scared. I think I messed up. Maybe I could say Milo did it. No, that's not fair. Milo didn't do anything. It won't fix. And lying feels horrible. Leo, what are you hiding? Leo, is that Mom's music box? It was an accident. I knocked it over. That was Grandma's. Mom loves it more than anything. She is going to be so mad. Please don't tell her. You broke it and you were hiding it? You are in big trouble. She'll ground you for a month. Maybe I'll just hide it forever. Maybe she won't notice. Good luck with that. She always finds out.
Hey kids! Guess what, Faye? Grandma's calling tonight to hear the music box.
Grandma wants to hear it? Tonight?
Where is the music box anyway? It's usually on the shelf.
I don't know.
I'm home. Something smells like glue in here. That's strange. Where's my music box? Milo, did you knock something over again?
Mom. Wait. It wasn't Milo.
Hiding it will only make it worse. I have to tell the truth, B, even if I'm scared.
I have to tell you something. I broke it.
Oh, come here. Tell me what happened.
I was playing ball inside 10. I know I shouldn't have. It fell. I'm so sorry. It was an accident. I didn't mean to. That music box was your grandma's. It means a lot to me. I know. I almost blamed Milo. But that was wrong. I had to tell the truth.
Thank you for telling me the truth. That took a lot of courage.
You're not? Really angry?
I'm a little sad about the box. But it's just a thing. You matter more.
I made it worse, Mom. I told him you'd be furious. I'm sorry, Leo Chade. You were braver than me.
He chose the truth all by himself. That makes me proud. Trust is harder to fix, Bite, and you kept ours.
It'll look different.
It'll be even more special. Every crack tells a story.
It still plays.
Just in time for Grandma's call.
Is that my old music box I hear? It sounds beautiful.
It broke, Grandma. But we fixed it together.
And he told the truth, all by himself.